Honestly, 1 hour a week of speech therapy is not enough, so you can and should know what to do. I specialize in working with toddlers who are not yet talking. I've created this online program just for parents like you. Instead of worrying, you can start taking action with my course. It's about 3.5 hours broken up into very doable, fun to watch, I've heard. Lessons, 6 different lessons with printable PDFs so that you can print out and follow throughout the week with the activities that I'm going to teach you. You'll see me working with toddlers, working with parents and toddlers. You can see, wow, the parents doing it and I can do it too, because you really can do it too. And honestly, getting into speech therapy can be a really tough process. Those wait lists can be long, and it can be far away from where you live, and then really expensive. So in the meantime, start today with my online course so that you can start making progress while you're on that wait list. Because guys, I've gotten fantastic feedback from parents all over the world saying that my course has helped their child. Their child is more social, is playing more appropriately, is understanding language, imitating and using new words. Get going and get learning how to help your toddler today. Happy talking with your toddlers. Bye-bye.
Hi, everybody.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn new
Bye-bye,
tips and tricks.
everybody.
Oh, that is so nice. Bye.